Assistant Sub-Inspector Baburam and Constable Altaf Hussain Bhatt of Jammu and Kashmir Police were posthumously conferred on Saturday with the Ashok Chakra and Kirti Chakra awards respectively on the eve of the 75th Independence Day. ASI Baburam was awarded Ashok Chakra for sacrificing his life in a terrorist encounter at Pandachok last year. DSP of Jammu and Kashmir Dilbag Singh salutes fallen heroes ASI Baburam, Constable Altaf and SPO Shahbaz of Jammu and Kashmir Police who brought glory and honour to the force in their sacrifice and service to the nation, for which Ministry of Defence has awarded country's highest peacetime honour. Ashok Chakra to martyr ASI Baburam, who made supreme sacrifice during an assault against hold-up terrorists at Pandachok last year. Kirti Chakra to Constable Altaf, who sacrificed his life while saving the life of his protected person who was attacked by terrorists in Gandebal, and Shaurya Chakra to SPO Shahbaz for his gallant action against terrorists in an counter-terrorist operation at Khrev, Avantipura last year. For the first time in Jammu and Kashmir Police history, Ashok, Kirti and Shaurya Chakras have been awarded to the force together, Jammu and Kashmir Police tweeted. While the Ashok Chakra is India's highest peacetime gallantry honour, Kirti Chakra is the second in order of precedence of peacetime gallantry awards. President Ramnath Kovind approved a total of 144 gallantry awards to armed force, police and paramilitary personnel that included 15 Shaurya Chakras, 4 Bar to Sena medals and 116 Sena medals and 1 each of Ashok Chakra and Kirti Chakra, an official statement said. While Baburam was an Assistant Sub-Inspector, Hussain Bhatt served as a constable in the Jammu and Kashmir Police. Born on May 15, 1972 in Dharna village in the border town of Merdhar of Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir region, Ram wanted to join the armed forces since his childhood, officials said. Adding after his schooling, he was appointed in Jammu and Kashmir Police as constable in 1999. He was subsequently posted in Special Operations Group Srinagar on July 27, 2002 and was part of various anti-terror operations in which a number of hardcore terrorists were killed, the official said. The Braveheart during his service in the anti-insurgency group remained part of 14 encounters in which 28 terrorists were gunned down, the official said. Constable Bhatt was a resident of Ratpura area of Safatkal in Srinagar. He was posted in Gandebal where he was performing PSO duty with a protected person. On October 6 last year, the protected person was attacked by militants. Bhatt retaliated and killed the terrorist and saved the life of the protectee, but himself got severe bullet injuries and later succumbed, thus attaining martyrdom in the line of duty, an official said. The Shaurya Chakra went to 6 army personnel, 2 Indian Air Force officers, 1 Navy officer and 6 police and paramilitary personnel. Out of 15 Shaurya Chakras, 4 were awarded posthumously. The Shaurya Chakra recipients from the army are Major Arun Kumar Pandey, Major Ravi Kumar Chaudhary, Captain Ashutosh Kumar, Captain Vikas Khatri, Rifleman Mukesh Kumar and Sepoy Neeraj Alawat. From the Navy, the Shaurya Chakra awardee is Captain Sachin Ruben Sequeira, while the IAF officers awarded the honours are Group Captain Parminder Antal and Wing Commander Varun Singh. Chitesh Kumar, Manjeeta Singh, Sunil Chaudhary, all from the CRPF are among the Shaurya Chakra awardees. Commanders of Odisha Police Debasish Sethi and Sudhir Kumar Tudu and Shahbaz Ahmed of Jammu and Kashmir Police have also been conferred with the prestigious award. The list of 144 gallantry awards also included 5 Nau Sena medals and 2 Vayu Sena medals. The President has also approved 28 mention dispatches to the army personnel for their significant contributions in different military operations, which include 3 posthumous for Operation Rakshak, the statement said. The 6 army personnel were awarded the Shaurya Chakra for displaying bravery in anti-terror operations in Jammu and Kashmir last year. Squadron leader Deepak Mohanan is on deputation with the Coast Guard Squadron since April 2017. News Desk, Kamad English.